Creating this music video came with many challenges, especially writing the lyrics since none of us had experience with it. We chose a love song because it was something we could all relate to, making it easier to share ideas. Finding the right location to capture the romantic vibe and selecting characters with the right chemistry was also difficult. On top of that, since we know each other so well, staying serious while filming was a struggle because we kept laughing and breaking characters. Despite the challenges, we had a great time working on the songs. Everyone contributed personal experiences that made the lyrics feel more real and heartfelt.
Hi, I'm Patrick O'Donnell.
Hi, I'm Shilamy D. Palias.
Hi guys, I'm Clarence Arvin B. Ramos.
Hello there, I'm Mark Aaron Oreo.
Hi guys, I'm Justin McNaval. My name is Jan Steven Emoy.
And I'm Ariana Fermado. And together,
We are Ecstasy!
Sa tuwing pinagmasdan ko ang larawan mo, ako'y nahuhulog sa kagandahan mo. Oh, dilim, ikaw lang ang nais ko. Sana ay hindi mo tanging panalangin ko. Hindi ko kailangan ng kahit sino, basta't sa piling mo. Hindi ako bibitaw. Bawat sulap at harap ko nasasaktan. Ano mang oras at ikaw ang nasa isip, isang mensahe mo puso ko'y nanatili. Bawat salita mo ay parang panaginip, habang ako ay nahuhulog. Di ko kailangan ng kahit sino, basta't sabihin mo. Hindi ako bibitaw. Bawat sulap at harap, alam kong ako'y nasasaktan sa damdamin ko, kahit di ko isa gusto. Parang hangin na di mo mahawak-hawak. Dito lang ako dahil namamahal.
Before we go, I just wanna tell you something.
Di ko kailangan
It will risk our friendship.
kahit sino,
Gusto kita.
basta sabihin mo.
Sorry, pero hindi pa kasi ako handa sa ganun eh. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Bawat suya at harap, alam ko nasasaktan sa damdamin ko, kahit
kita isa paraiso.